Headstand is supposed to build strength, yet a lot of people struggle with balance and stability. So let's start with a proper foundation for headstand. First of all, make sure that your shoulders are rolled outwards, that your lower arms are pressing firmly into the floor, and that you clasp your fingers, bringing the pinky fingers under so that you can roll your wrists towards the floor. This will create a stable foundation. Then relax your neck and only then put your head down. This will avoid you putting too much pressure on the neck and injuring yourself in headstand. And now, once we are here, we can slowly start walking the feet in until we can't go any further. And this is when you draw your knees up into your belly, finding stability. And only if that's possible for you, you start extending your legs upwards. Now you will be in a nice, stable, strong headstand that's impossible to fall out of. Make sure to keep rolling your shoulders out, and then when you come out, you come the same way, knees into the chest, using your core to come back down, bring the feet slowly down, and always finishing in a child's pose to avoid getting dizzy. I hope you liked this tutorial.